During summer, many children feel tired, lose their appetite, or fall sick more often. Did you know that an unhealthy diet in hot weather can be one of the reasons? In summer, children's bodies need more fluids and proper nutrition to stay active and healthy. First, make sure your child drinks plenty of water throughout the day to prevent dehydration. Second, include fresh seasonal fruits like watermelon, mangoes, bananas, and melons. These provide important vitamins and natural energy. Third, foods like yogurt, smoothies, and fresh juices help keep the body cool and support healthy digestion. At the same time, try to limit junk food, sugary drinks, and packaged beverages, as they can make children feel sluggish and affect their health. Remember, a healthy summer diet helps children stay energetic, hydrated, and protected from seasonal illnesses. Small healthy choices today can support your child's strong growth and better immunity.